Don't be fooled by the Metallica one. It's about all their different songs, but there's some fantastic photography in that. Humphrey Spender, all about the north of England, as you can see. And what I liked as well, but it's also signed. How good is that? But you know, sometimes I look in books just for a bit of inspiration before I go out, take a look at some pictures. All sorts, you know, all sorts of books, some fantastic pictures. Look at that. Just love that sort of thing. You can just see that woman there. Love that. Aren't they the type of shots we're all trying to get still? Fantastic. Right. It's time for me to head out. So in my last video, I was after this particular shot, which I missed, and what it was a shot of, it was this young lad, and he had glasses on, and he had his mask on, and his glasses were all misted up. And I managed to get this picture of this lady as she walked past. Had to be pretty quick, and she had her glasses on, but only one lens was steamed up, but managed to get one. But what I would like to get is someone with both of their lenses steamed up. It would be quite a good shot, I think. Well, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe down here and watch these two videos here if you haven't seen them already. See you next time.